Welcome back to In the Know with Zach and Bo. This is Zach and I'm Bo. We're here to talk about heat shrink today, Zach, and I think we've got a couple different things in front of us, right?
We're looking today at our 𝗵𝗶𝗶𝘀. It's one of our most popular splice kits. We got some UF cable, we got our heat shrink torch, part number HST-T1. We're ready to go. We're going to do a little demo, just show how you put this together.
Great, because I feel like a lot of people know us for fixture whips, templates, and pigtails. We actually have a full line of heat shrink, and we even sell the torch too.
We do.
Awesome, check us out.
We're going to get started with our heat shrink torch, part number HST-T1. All you got to do to turn it on is loosen up this, turn your gas on, and hit the igniter.
Whoa. Safety first, Zach. Let me help you out.
All right.